In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a CSV file from your Shopify store report. If you're managing an online store, having access to your data in a spreadsheet format can be incredibly useful for analysis, reporting, or just keeping a record. Let's dive right in to ensure you can smoothly extract the information you need. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and type in Shopify to locate the login page for your store admin. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. This is an essential step, as accessing your stored data requires authentication into your Shopify account. After logging in, you will find yourself at the Shopify admin dashboard. Here, look for the Analytics tab on the left-hand side of your screen, and under that, you'll spot Reports. This is the section where you can access all detailed reports concerning your store's performance. Now, browse through the various reports available to you. Shopify offers different types of reports, such as sales, customer behavior, marketing, and more. Click on the specific report you wish to export. This will open up a detailed view of that report. Once you have the report open, take a moment to consider whether you need to make any adjustments. Shopify allows you to customize the report to better suit your needs. You can modify the date range, add or remove filters, or adjust the columns you want to be included in your final CSV. Tailoring your data ensures that what you download is relevant and useful for your intended purpose. After you've configured your report, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Export button. Click this to proceed to the next step. A list of export options will appear. For our purpose today, select the CSV format. Usually, Shopify presents this option as CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. This format is widely compatible and perfect for further data analysis. With your format selected, click on the Export report. This action initiates the export process. Depending on the size of the data, the download may either start immediately, or Shopify might process the file and send you an email with a download link once it's ready. If it's an immediate download, you'll see the CSV appear in your default download location on your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a CSV file from your Shopify store report. If you received an email, just follow the download instructions provided. This process allows you to have a portable and easy-to-analyze version of your store's data, which can greatly aid in making data-driven decisions. Keep your eyes peeled for more tutorials on optimizing your Shopify experience. Thanks for tuning in.